Hey, welcome. Okay, if we have a blank page in GeoGebra, first we need to show the axis. Once we have the axis, we need to show the major and the minor grind, which are very important for the accuracy of the plot. Then we need to add the formula. In this case, the function is ax to the cube plus bx squared plus cx plus d. Then we need to create a slider. Once we have the slider, then we are going to verify that the range should be from -5 to +5 in D, C, B, and A. Then in basic tools, we need to add a point, and in that point, we are going to mark the tangent line and the slope. And also, there's all these with the measures, points, and constructs. Once we have these, it's very important to identify the critical points. In this case, we can easily identify the critical points because are the maximum and the minimum. Okay, so we need to modify in the menu that the value of the slope should be shown. So in this case, if we have a completely horizontal slope, it means that it's 0. But once you move the point over the function, you will see how it changes from sign to positive to negative and that things. Then with this plot, you can easily identify the maximum and the minimum point just with the eyes, because you can easily identify that the concave is the first one and the convex is the second one, and all this because you have an image of the function. But if you want to calculate it and it is a quadratic function, or you need to use the general formula, and once you get the critical points, you need to get the second derivative and replace the second derivative with the result of the maximum with the negative and the positive results from the general formula. And if it is a cubic function, first you need to equalize that to 0. As far as I know, here we can see the plot. We can modify letter A, B, C, or D. It depends on what do you want. Also, here we can see that the sliders are most in the range of -5 to +5. Here over the plot, we can see the famous tangent line, and as we are doing, you can move the line to anywhere at the point over the function. Also, the value of the slope over tangent line, it is very important to consider, because the function is basically always with a different slope depending on the part of the function. In conclusion, we actually have a complete function and all its components just in 3 minutes more or less. So, as you know, GeoGebra is a perfect app to take in account if you are going to use a function and you want to see the plot. Also, GeoGebra has a lot of advantages in making the plot, because it's quick to develop. Also, it use of developed math engine. It's liked by students because it is easy to use. You don't need to understand a lot, and also you don't have to wait for ads. So this is perfect because you can save a lot of time and verify your answers and the accuracy of your results. And finally, the team is confirmed by Melian, Robin, and Alan. And as you already know, this time for the first partial, we use GeoGebra to create a plotter from 0. I hope you like it and helped you to understand better how to create a plot in GeoGebra and how to approach its advantages, and also to identify the critical points, the slope, the tangent line, and the range. Hope you like. Leave a like, share, comment, and also you can follow in on Twitter or Instagram.